The last function we're going to have a look at in our date functions training, you will find in the date functions workbook and the very last spreadsheet called network days. In this particular case, I'm going to be using US-based holidays, but network days is a function that tells you exactly what it means. Network means to work. So it calculates the number of days between two dates, and it will exclude any weekends and any public holidays based on a list that you give it to it. So if we have a look at the number of working days from the 1st of January 2016 to the 31st of December, we would use the function called network days. You'll see in the function description it says returns the number of whole working days between two dates. Our start date is over here, the 1st of January, comma, end date, cell B2, the 31st of December, and then holidays is the list you select. Keep in mind you do not need to select the entire list with the text, we just need the list of all the holidays that occur in that particular year. Before I continue, I see that this particular date was written incorrectly, so I'm just going to correct that. And you get a number of working days of 251. But now how does Excel work out the weekends? It's basing on the fact that your weekends on your computer are set by country, so most of us work Monday to Friday and the weekends are Saturday and Sunday. But what if I was doing a project where the company was based in Dubai, still worked according to US holidays, but Dubai standards in terms of their weekend parameters? We can still do the same function, but using a function called Network Days International. This allows you to customize your weekend parameters in your function. So it first gives us the start date in bold, so that's cell B1, the end date, cell B2, and then it gives you a drop down to show what are your weekend parameters. I know in Dubai usually the week is from Sunday to Thursday, which means your weekends fall on a Friday and on a Saturday. So you could go down and select Friday and Saturday as my weekend parameters. The holidays are still going to be our US-based holidays because the company is a US-based company, or it's a US company based in Dubai. So this will give us a very exact answer just based on the fact that the number of weekends in both countries are exactly the same, even though they are on different days. But in some cases, you might find that this is different.